Around 17.4 crore electors are going to participate in these elections, an exercise of continental scale and proportionality. To give you a feel of numbers, 17.4 crore electors roughly also comprise the continent of Australia, France, South Africa, Germany, and Canada. We will also see our guests from more than 20 countries from their electoral commissions who will be visiting these elections for witnessing the festive celebrations, the transparent and efficient celebrations of elections in India. The Commission, along with lakhs of election officials and security personnel, is committed for ensuring free, fair, transparent, accessible, and peaceful elections. Election Commission of India is also prepared to welcome each and every voter to their polling stations and provide them with a pleasant and comfortable voting experience. I would also like to make a special appeal to our youth and the first-time voters. My dear friends, you are about to step into one of the most important responsibilities of your life, exercising your democratic right, the right to vote. I urge you to participate enthusiastically in this great democratic exercise and cast your vote with pride, responsibility, and confidence. Your vote is your choice in shaping the future of your state and the nation. Elections in India are the festival of democracy. Chunav ka parv, hum sab ka garv. This festival of democracy belongs to every citizen, every elector of India. Before announcing the schedule of elections, I would like to present before you a brief PPT which will entail the details of these coming elections. The festival of elections, our pride, is going to be held in the state of Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and the Union Territory of Puducherry. The total electors are 17.4 crores, and the assembly constituencies are 824. The number of polling stations is roughly 2.19 lakhs, and the electoral machinery would consist of roughly 25 lakh personnel. To give you an overview, the end of term of Assam Assembly is on 20th of May, Kerala 23rd of May, Puducherry 15th of June, Tamil Nadu 10th of May, and West Bengal 7th of May. To give you a little overview of the electors, Assam, as per the final list, would be roughly 2.5 crores, Kerala 2.7 crores, Puducherry 9.44 lakhs, Tamil Nadu 5.67 crores, and West Bengal, the final list on 20th February comprises of 6.44 crores, and the learned judges, after their adjudication, whatever supplementary